Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook rustic ratatouille in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the rustic ratatouille recipe. You can buy this recipe from NBC Massimo. And then after that, just tap on your stove. And then just choose the rustic ratatouille recipe that you already buy. Like this. And then when you're done, make sure all the ingredients are complete like this. There are tomato and then potato and then lettuce. And then after that, just start cooking. Tap on start cooking like this. And wait for the process. This. And okay, like this. Your rustic ratatouille is successfully cooked like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.